Okay, what do you want to video? You can't chew on it. You can't chew on it. Let mommy have it. Is that your toy that you're crying and pitching a fit about? What happens when it gets right here in front of you? Go get it. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. He gets really frustrated. Yay, we got it. Gage. Hi. Are you a big boy? Hmm? You put it under your cover. You put it under your cover. I didn't do it. Somebody needs a nap. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.